Yeah man guys, welcome to downtown Kingston waterfront. You don't know, as a child growing up, you always want to go waterfront and it's always a joy to come down place, you know? Yeah man, especially we live in the countryside. Yeah. You see on New Year's night, being at waterfront, wonderful man. Yes man.
Pretty mommy, don't worry, my wife will back it up. Make me happy whenever you back it up. In a traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You ain't see me happy, go down me job.
And say like coffee light, we a bum slider. Shotty rum ram, cup and pot. Quart and quart, we a cup and quart. If you ram for this in a jet, make it pan quart.
Listen, usually stay at